Aloha, my name is Remi Abellira. I am the CEO and President of Hawaii Natural Energy Solutions. Here at our R&D shop, we've been doing a lot of cutting-edge technology, and it's very exciting that I have the opportunity to bring this technology. I know you've heard it been said before, and it's impossible, but it isn't. What you're seeing behind me is a fuel cell, water to fuel cell. We can actually convert plain filtered water into combustible gas. That's approximately 8 times more powerful than gasoline. Now, what I will show you right here is several different technologies that basically you fill this tank over with plain filtered water, feed it, goes through this whole process. It's charged with the process of electrolysis. The electrolysis plates convert this into a combustible gas that pressurizes this line. Now, it's a very, very powerful type of fuel. For example, I will show you that first of all, we'll take this gas that's coming out of here, and if you can see this, you'll see a 4 or 5 inch flame that burns about 3,200 degrees. And to example and to show you how intense the heat is, here's an Arizona iced tea can, but watch how quickly it will burn through aluminum. At 3,200 degrees, it's a very powerful flame. It'll melt brass, steel. It's excellent for welding, bend glass, and any type of element you can use this gas on. It's an interesting type of gas. Now, in order to prove that, we can also run a 7,000 watt generator. This generator is LPG, liquid gas propane, and we can run this on about 80 to 90% gas made from water. The rest we can run about 10% on propane. It's in very exciting times, and I'll prove that we can do that. Now, just to prove that this gas is also combustible, we're gonna blow it out, stick it in here, and if you can see these waters bubbling, I will put it to frame, and you can see explosive bubbles coming out of here. Now, if you feed this internal combustion engine, basically 10% hydrogen gas assists to a normal gasoline or propane is equivalent to running your, for example, gasoline will be equivalent to running a car on, if you're using 87% propane cheap gas. If you accent it or accompany it with oxyhydrogen gas, that's equivalent to 140 octane. So you can get a bigger bang for your buck. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to run this 7,000 watt liquid propane genset, and I will show that I can actually run it on approximately just 10% propane and 90% hydrogen. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start this motor. I'm going to start this motor. As you can see it running, it's holding its RPM. Now I'm going to go unplug. I'm going to unplug our fuel cell generator and plug it into this genset. So that the system is now turning off. There's no amperage going in over here whatsoever. 0. Now I'm going to plug it in to our generator. I'll plug this into our generator, which is now powering the system. Okay? We're driving about 4.5 amps. Now, I'm going to inject oxyhydrogen gas into the intake manifold. But before I do that, I'm going to wean off the propane. As propane being fed to this engine. I'll do it again. I'll wean it off some more. Now, we're running at approximately 90% oxy-hydrogen gas. And it's still powering itself, holding the load. Now, if you look at the amperage, you'll see that it's been powered. What this proves, beyond a shadow of a doubt, that we can power our internal combustion engines with fuel from water. Thank you very much. Once again, Hawaii Natural Energy Solutions. Aloha and mahalo. You can turn it off now.